Hello and welcome everybody. I'm Kiri. Today we're checking out Desynced. Version 1 came out. It's been in early access for a while, but as of the 5th of March 2026, 1.0 is out. So the Steam store page says it's a sci-fi strategy game with customizable units, behaviors. We gather, build, research, and explore, either in single player or in co-op. However, looking at this game, looking at screenshots, it looks like an automation game. I don't know, we'll see. It looks interesting. Developed by Stage Games Inc., published by Forklift Interactive. They sent me a key for this, and also I'm a bit confused because it says continue. I don't have any game time on Steam, so I may have played the demo years and years and years ago, and I just can't remember. I don't know. We're going to start with the tutorial because I have no clue what's going on. Activation protocol confirmed. Error. Main systems check. Error. Data integrity. Error. Force recovery. Data corruption. Activating Higgs protocol. Restarting simulation. Partial recovery confirmed. Simulation integrity desynced. Press any key to begin simulation. And it's already the name drop. Okay, sure. What's that? Ooh, got. Oh no, it's fine. Distortion effect is fine. This is very pretty. Oh, I may have actually played the demo. Okay. Welcome back, Commander. Your ship has been damaged and have been taken out of stasis. I am Elaine. Emergent Logistics Artificial Intelligence Network. What you're saying is a feed from an unidentified planet where I've developed a team for you to command. This planet seems to be the source of the damage, and we are unable to leave the planet's orbit until our ship is repaired and the source of the damage is identified. Am I supposed to click here? Yeah. You will need to establish a small mining facility in order to proceed with ship repairs. This will be your primary objective. Communications are currently limited, so one of the first things you will need to do is to establish an uplink from ground level. Try to find metal and crystal deposits, as we will need them for repairs. Commander, we didn't come here by accident. The Blight may contain the breakthroughs our civilization has been waiting for, but something inside, it struck back. Our achievers were scorched, our ship crippled. I'm detecting additional technology signatures on the surface tools so we can recover and adapt to accelerate repairs. Okay, there's an index button. But, oh, it's just this one? Okay. Click understood to continue. Panning the camera. Basic. So we already have the crystals and the minerals. Mouse wheel to zoom. Top left, we have power. Okay, the tutorial's on it. Never mind. I was just getting ahead of myself. Pound consumption. Available items are shown on top. We don't really have much. Okay, in the right, we have daytime. Date, okay. Pause. Interactive minimap and game notifications. Bottom right, research, build progress, codex, library, control center. Okay. Follow the prompts, logistics. We can turn stuff off and on. Logistics settings and transport route. Okay. Here we have an inventory. Is that like the player inventory or this command center inventory? I'm not sure. Component sockets. They come in 4 sizes: internal, small, medium, and large. Okay. Pressing a right click will make selected units perform various actions based on what components are equipped. Oh yeah, right. It's not really the player, right? I have these units. It's the inventory of those units. Okay, move, right click. So far I've not heard any sound effects, but maybe the music's too loud. Items can be moved by dragging them onto another unit on the map. Components will automatically get equipped when transferred. Select the command center to access the inventory. This is the command center, okay. Drag the turret onto the scout. It's very bright, isn't it? Like it's difficult to see things with the yellow and the green. deploy it between resources. That's a deploy base button. Okay. Well, let's get a base over here. What do we do with this? There's a base, deploy components, can hold a pre-made unit or building. They are internal components in the inventory. Deploy, clicking to target. Okay, sure. You have a network which will handle basic logistics and supply power to units and buildings. Automated delivery of items will only happen inside the network. Why did you tell me this again? I'm supposed to press P, logistics network. Okay, I've got a deployable unit. Select the drop pod. What do we have here? An assembler. Oh, this also has to go into the scout. Okay. With the scout selected, click the deploy button. The open area away from the command center. Okay, like here. Oh, and then we need to make a network here. Guess that's it. Ooh, found something. Set the engineer to start mining. You're an engineer, this is metal. And one on the crystals. Other engineer, crystals over here. And apparently they want me to mine the big thing. Alright, select the command center, drag the fabricator into a socket. Oh, so these are refilled. Okay, fabricator. Able to process raw resources and simple components. It's in the socket now. We'll expand production with more fabricators for our production buildings. Components are required to be built separately. Okay. Change production. Fabricators. And you want me to do 3. Alright. And that's it, because this is a drop pod. Got another fabricator in here, circuit boards and metal bars. Apparently. Automate the production of metal bars by constructing a dedicated production building. Good. Building 1 by 1. 1S. That's a name, okay. It's a production building. Why are they not? Why is this one full? No space in inventory. We're waiting. Okay. This is not working because the engineer's not. Oh no, wait. I need more metal bars. The crystals are here. I need more metal bars. Fabricator. Hang on. How am I gonna? You can't put this anywhere. What is this? This is the metal bar production. Maybe that didn't work well because here, request item. Requested metal or what? Has a stale order. Yeah, I'm aware. Maybe I was supposed to put it in here and I didn't. Okay. It's not on the power grid, yes. But they told me to put it out of the way. Lovely. Okay. Can you pick this up again? And maybe... Oh no, what have I done? Store. Store target. Maybe not. Oh god, what am I doing? Clear value. So that, okay. relocate. Is there somebody doing this? Do I have to do this? How does this work? Scout. Can you pick this up? I'm not sure. This is Scout Raider. Right click to pick up. I broke my Scout. I broke the whole game. And it's just a tutorial. Okay, there's a runner. Maybe the runner can pick this up. Nope. You're also a runner. Okay, I'm gonna get an engineer. Can we just drop this? No, stop doing that. Okay, can you pick this up for me? This is great. Why is this? You know what? We're gonna abort construction here. Can you pick this up now? Yes. Okay, there was just a minor incident here. Kind of a deployer. Contained the building. Why does this have the building? I don't understand. Oh, I handed it over to the runner. Oh my gosh. This is the worst thing ever, and I don't know what I did to break it. Okay. So I think we're making metal bars here now. Pick this up again. And then we send you mining again. You pick up the metal. Okay, so you make the metal bars. You put them in here. Building the thing. I have no clue what happened there. They told me to put this out of the way, so I did. I thought we were gonna, increase the size of the network or anything. But yeah, that was just bad. Select the new building. Click the request icon button. Request a fabricator. Okay, this is only delivered via networks. Okay, fabricator. If I were a fabricator. Okay. You're bringing this over here. Set the production to register to metal bars. Okay, so now we have 2 of those. Okay. Copy an existing building by pressing C. Move the mouse cursor over an empty tile. Activate the build cursor. Pressing V. Okay, this is kind of nice. You can always relocate buildings. Yes. I know. Have to find out the hard way. Copy one of the metal bar production buildings. Put it in the build cursor, then use Control left click to show the construction editor. Okay, copy. And then V. This can also be used to upgrade existing buildings. Okay. So, fabricator metal bars. Visual, building, change type. Can make walls out of this or a storage block. Okay. This all seems very complex. I'm not sure if it's needed yet or if that's just over the top. Oh wait, it produces metal plates. Okay. Right. Copy. Want to apply the copy settings onto select building. No. So we're going to copy this. And then put this here. So metal plates. Look at that, different thing. Start construction. But then I think I want to swap these. So these just... Can I do this? Yes. Oh yeah, there we go. And I want to switch this to metal bars, so it's a bit better looking. Use the robot factory in my command center to produce 2 more robot runners. And those need the plates, got it. The runners seem to be just doing jobs that are available, which is good. So they're gonna run around doing the things. Good. Use the fabricator to produce an assembler. Because this is the fabricator in here, and then yeah, okay. I'm starting to understand how this stuff works. Missing metal plates. Yeah, how about we make a new metal plate thingy here? I like the copy and paste setting. It's very nice. Are we making those bars? Yes, it's just taking a while. Oh, we need a fabricator for this. Oh, wait. Let's just make a couple more fabricators as well then. But I have the assembler. Equip it. Yeah? Okay. An uplink is required to access your technology research tree. You may need to unequip another component to make space for the uplink. Well, I guess first we have to make it. But I made the fabricator now. And we're gonna make more metal plate production thingies. Okay, the uplink is finished. I need to... Well, obviously not the power cell. What is the capacitor doing? Stores excess power. This is produced by... Yes. So I get... Wait, the assembler can do everything that this one can do. Kind of. Okay, so we're gonna remove this one and install the uplink. Alright, now we have research. I've mapped the technologies we've detected on this planet into distinct research groups. You will need to discover ways to unlock specific technologies. However, there is a high probability that each new technology will advance your own significantly. Start research on basic structures. So there's virus discovery, human discovery, new starter tech, alien discovery, and blight discovery. Oh, and then it's it can... what's that? Expand. Basic structures. Okay, here. Expands the range of small buildings with a variety of socket configurations. It requires 30 metal plates. Okay. We need to construct storage block buildings. On each of your engineers, set their store register to tell them where they store the items. Okay, so we'll have... How about we put a crystal storage here? And then we put a metal storage over there. Then this is the engineer. Store target. Yeah. And the other one here. Seems to be working. For you, not quite yet. Maybe I can't see anything. So we unlocked the reinforced plate, the 2S building, the 1M 1S building, and a defense block. Okay, we need to build a 1M building. And then oops, I pressed something weird. The 1M building. Equip an assembler for the reinforced plates. So we're going to put those here. We're not making those chips yet, but we still have some. We'll need to produce the assembler separately, alright. This one. So yeah, it's definitely an automation building. I don't see the strategy part yet, but maybe we'll make combat units and then fight, because that was a defensive block, right? So yeah, we'll see about that. We're not making enough metal bars right now. Can I make another engineer? Can make runners and workers. Ooh, a miner. Extracts metal and crystal. We're going to try this one. Buildings built. I reached a milestone. Oh yeah, here's the building. Equip the assembler. Alright, somebody please bring this over here. And then production is going to be reinforced plates. We need metal bars and metal plates for this. But I don't have enough bars. Produce another building to produce the circuit boards. I also do that with this one. Okay, so we need another 1M building. And another assembler. I've gone a bit overboard with this. Can I pause you? Yeah, if we turn this off. May have made too many of those. Oh, have you finished this assembler? Yeah. Oh, we need to wait for it to be constructed. It makes a lot of sense. The storage block is already full. Right. Well, if that's the case, drop your stuff and help mine over here. Wait, what is this? Fabricator. The miner. How does this work? I may need a building here then. Okay, anyways. Maybe I should wait for the tutorial to explain things to me. Alright, the assembler is here, and this is for circuit boards. I need crystals then. Good. We need to research basic power. Unlocks the power production and storage components. Okay. For that we need crystals. We're on it. Here we in the top left, we've got the progress bar for research. What are you doing over there? Oh. The nodes, by the way, are not infinite. You see a number there telling you how much you can mine still. Alright, we're going to turn this one off as well. Because we have a lot of metal bars. Metal... What does it say? Metal bar production. It's a metal plate. That's funny. We could put research, not research. We could put storage here. I don't see anything. Okay. Will require more power. Power can be extracted from crystals to help you get started. So equip a crystal power component on a building. On what building? Crystal power component. Okay, so we're gonna make it first. It's an S. Okay. So we'll just build a 1S building close to where all the crystal stuff is. Maybe just right next to it. Okay, put this in here and then you start with crystal shenanigans again. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Yeah, I see what I did there. Because you were still supposed to store stuff here, even though I told you. Oh. Right, that's smart. Okay, so that was not intended for this to go here. Somebody move this over here. But of course, because the engineer was still told to store their things here, so I told them to get metal ore, they still went here. Makes a lot of sense. My bad. Alright, you're making these things. What are you up to now? The engineers are helping here, but... Okay. Let's use the crystal power thingy. I'm gonna put this onto this building. And now we're producing energy. Maybe. Produce and equip small power field on a building. Near the silica sand deposit. Okay, a small power field. Creates and expands your logistics network. Where's my scout? My engineer. Where's my engineer? You're this. Wait. You're this one. Okay. No. No. And then you go and grab this here. Where's the other engineer? Okay, I fixed the mistake that I had made here. But also we need another 1S building. Wait, the silica deposit. Silica sand. Scattered resources. Okay, so close to here. Can we... We should be able to bring our stuff here though, right? High priority. I'm not sure if that works because it's outside the power grid. And I can't request anything, so maybe that doesn't work. Maybe it has to be really inside. Board. Can't relocate something that's not been built yet. Okay, how about over here? Yes. Alright, and then once it's done, we're going to add the small power field. I'm starting to understand this. That should increase this, and then we should be able to get the silica sand. Yeah. Can be found on the plateau. You can build a worker unit with a miner component. Trigger simple mining bots. I already have the miner thing. I need a worker. Aha, that's how it works. And then it can mine it here. So instead of having having the engineers do this, I could also replace them with workers / miners. I wonder if that's a good thing. Like, what are the engineers good for? Better for? Runner. Where's the... Oh, here. Here's the worker. Okay. Got the mining thing now. Go ahead, get the silica. And then I guess storage would be useful. Maybe here. Ha! Build a storage block, then select a run and activate its transport route. Okay. Build storage and turn on a runner's transport route. I'm not sure. Carry items from the go-to sources to the store targets. Well, set the go-to register of the runner to the unit mining silica to pick it up from. Set the store register to the store block to drop it off. Right, so it doesn't make sense to have the store here then. We're going to relocate this here, but we probably need all the stuff. Okay, and then we have the runner. So you run from here to here. Am I doing this right? Oh no. Not connected to logistics network. Okay, can we clear and start again? So transport route source is the worker. It doesn't look like it did before. You already have this in your inventory. And then you store it here. Oh, it's because okay. I just stopped this in between, that's why. Now that you've learned the basics of base building, you're ready to continue with your mission to repair the mothership. The tutorial begins in passive mode, meaning the native population of bugs will not come out of the bug hive or bug hole until you attack them. So it's kind of like Factorio in a way, where we're on this planet, there are bugs, aliens, and they will attack you. Not in the tutorial. Outside the tutorial, very much sounds like they're going to come for you. Behaviors are an advanced mechanic for controlling units. To get started, add an integrated behavior to a unit via the unit options menu. I'm not sure if I've understood. but okay. You can choose to continue to play this game or start a new game, customize many of the gameplay settings for my playstyle. Good luck, Commander. Okay, this is it. Interesting. I would assume in a normal game then, you've got a lot of quests or something to teach you things, because yeah, sure, now I can play this on peaceful mode basically, and we can do, well, only this type of research right now. Oh, behaviors here. Basic signals. The signal radar, the scout radar, the portable radar, the signpost. Yeah, but like we know how to build things now and basic things, but it seems the game is very complex. Progress. Repair the mothership. We need to collect a robotics data cube. There's a runner. Here's a scout. I want to take the scout and go over here to this thing. See what this is about. Access granted. So we've got a small power field and a reinforced plate. Okay, that's cool. Here's another one. Crystal powder, high density frame. Okay. This bring this back. But there's some more of these drop pods. I can just dump stuff on the floor as well. They're gonna find it, right? Oh, I don't have storage for reinforced plates. Guess that's alright, we're gonna put this in here. Good. A power flower? Alright, interesting. This is another power flower. It doesn't say what it does. This is white or yellow. Okay, there's another one over here. Where is my scout? I'll grab this. I've not seen any bug holes yet. But yeah, I guess then it's just a matter of checking everything out. Making more units. Light RGB component. Oh, that's funny. Okay, what do we have? The portable power field, the energized plate. Investigate ruined structures across the world for data to help advance your technology. You may need to repair them before you can gain access. Exploring them could provide valuable information and resources. Yeah. Oh, I just equipped this here. The portable power field. Why not? So that was one of the, you know, this is kind of a tutorial thing still, or not tutorial, but laterite. In order to, it will tell you when you find something you don't know how it works. It will tell you there will be a quest or something, like a nudge. Complete the requirements. Disconnect the circuit. Oh, okay. It's a puzzle. Alright, we've got an assembler for this. High density frame. I got one. One moment. I'm gonna go and get the frame. Because I have this here. Does that cost me anything? Short range detection of resources and other objects in the world. This is quite nice. I'm going to put the assembler in here. Reinforced metal plates we drop over there. The energized plate as well. Can we... Great, now I picked up everything. Fine. Okay, with this in your inventory, go back here. Go back here. This is very difficult to see. Visibility could be a bit better. Transfer item. This technology is the technology in this structure is highly compatible with our own. Investigating more of these structures would advance our own technology. Silicon robotic starter cube. Okay, cool. That wasn't anything here yet. Oh. We are at the threshold of a revolutionary discovery. Gateway technology will be a leap forward in our knowledge and understanding. By analyzing data from the robot ruins, we can research gateway technology, a critical advancement that will enable more complex material production. Moreover, we can learn to construct an advanced computer simulator that will assist us in understanding the mysterious nature of this world. I kind of forgot that we're just in simulation here for... for the tutorial. This is solved. Yeah, sending the scout out to do some exploring. And then just working on this, building this up, getting just everything I can, really. Ooh, look at this foundation for better movement. I don't think it costs anything. Oh no, that's not true. No, it is. Ah, but I can also only put it where there is no foundation yet. Okay, got it. And no, it does cost something. This plate that I can make in the fabricator. This is not a fabricator. Okay, let's check this out. We're gonna make a building. A 1S building. Over here. Storage is full again, so there's definitely something I need to work on here. And then we're gonna put a fabricator on it. And see if I can make those plates. I can. It's one metal bar to a plate. Let's go. Yeah, one metal bar to 5 plates. Nice, and then they can move fast. Yeah, okay, so that is one thing. You researched basic robotics. There are lots of new buildings then. What is this? The deconstructor. Disassembly of completed units and buildings, refunding 100% of their cost. The crystal power, we have this. The small turret. Basic defense. Should be good. And that is also put onto buildings. And then light. But I've not seen... Wait, has it been night yet? For the whole time that I've been playing? Day. Sorry, it hasn't been day yet for the whole time I've been playing. 40 minutes? Because yeah, I'm wondering, like, we don't need any lights, do we? What if we get a tower and a light, and then we do a 2S building? And put this over here, for example. And then once it's done, we put the light here, we'll put the tower here. Because that was... Oh, it's not finished. Yeah, that's what this is, right? Yeah, it has 2 S slots. Okay. Cool. Oh, you kind of got lost over here. That's alright. So what else? Oh, we don't need the RGB. Dedicated laboratory for robotics. It's a medium component. Do I have a building for medium stuff? Oh, yes, of course I do. And then we could have, for example, a 1 medium, 1S, and then also have a tower there. I like this system. That's actually really cool. Why are we not doing anything here? Ah, because I didn't say infinite. We only made 1 batch, that's why. I want to see night still. Yeah, now they're all busy running around. Okay, but I wanted to get that medium building. Let's put this in the back for the robotics arm and see what that can do. Buildings built. 50, okay, and then it's 200. We can also build walls, which is eventually going to be interesting. So I have the robotics thing. What do you do? Energized plate. Robotic starter cube. Worker unit. Dashboard. Faster upgrade to the worker bot with additional inventory. Nice. Let's make one of those. I have energized place here, I think. Okay, it's night now. I wonder if there's more bug activity during the night. Okay, I've got 116 plates. Yep, yeah, I've got some scattered resources here as well. Are you finished? Missing ingredients. Ah, maybe they cannot get it. Maybe I have to do this. Pick this up. Oh, but I don't know what you're going to pick up then. Okay. No. No. Yes. We need storage for these. That's okay. I just want to look at this. The dashboard unit. But now we can make a miner. I'm getting really into this here. A mining component. And then we can put this onto the dashboard. Hullop. And then you can go and mine and be like really fast and stuff. And then we're gonna tell you to stop mining. And I don't really know what to do with these things. But yeah, you get rid of your inventory here. The dashboard, well, yeah, the worker unit. I don't know if they all need runners. Or if they, when they're full, they will eventually go to storage. Not sure. But yeah, so it's night now. There must have been night while I was playing already, but okay. So the lights are not really necessary. Maybe they keep the bugs away, we don't know that. But interesting game. It was a bit of a rough start with me not fully understanding certain things, but I'm getting the hang of it, I'd say. Quite interesting. And it has Steam achievements. I'm gonna check, but yes, it has Steam achievements. 28 of those. Seems to be quite fun. I think this is a game that I would like to play in co-op. If I don't want to submit anything. First of all, we're gonna save this. Oh, I searched. Lovely. This is, oh god. YouTube and then tutorial. Because I want to check out what it's like to start a new game. You can check, again, you can pick a seed. You see the map, which is quite nice, I think. You can change the biome density, water plateau, blight corruption, plateau amounts, landscape. What does this mean? Normal or flat, okay. Resource richness. Infinite rich resources. That is also night, day and night cycle, day length, year length. It doesn't tell you what it is exactly, but okay. Hostility level. If you'd like to, you can also play without enemies at all. Difficulty, bug hive evolution, mini games. I kind of like that mini game that I found. It was surprising. And then you say go. If it's multiplayer, yeah. Very nice. I'm really enjoying this. Very cool. Desynced, everybody. Let me know what you think. Maybe have you played this already in early access? Were you excited for 1.0? Please let me know. Like the video if you enjoyed this. Subscribe. Don't forget about that. And a very special thanks to my members here on YouTube for supporting this channel even more. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.